Hello and welcome back. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Java JDK 12 on Microsoft Windows 10. If you have 7, 8 or 8.1, make sure you have 64-bit operating system. So go ahead and check your system type. Simply look at the keyboard, and on the left button you've got Windows key, on the right top you've got pause and break button. Just press both keys together, so Windows and pause break on the keyboard, and you will get this basic information about your computer. So look at this system type here. It says 64-bit operating system based and the same processor is going to be okay. Now so go ahead and launch your browser and go to this URL. I'm going to leave this URL in this description as well, or you can just pause the video and copy this URL from here. And then so you will land on this downloads page for Java JDK, and you'll see you got 13, Java JDK 13. You can go ahead and install it, but this is very kind of latest version of it. It's always recommended to have kind of more tested and compatible JDK on the system. So this is why we are going to download and install 12. You can go ahead and try the 11, which is an LTS version of release, which is going to be available for long-term support. This is what is called long-term support. So you can try the LTS. If you want to try the JDK 8, okay, so here is the JDK 8. You can go ahead and try here JDK 8, and these are the other downloads. Okay, so let's go ahead and try the 12. So go ahead and click on it. One more thing you need to have is it may ask for the sign in and sign up. So if you do not have Oracle account, be prepared with it. Okay, I already have one Oracle account, and if it asks for login or sign in, I log in and sign in. At this moment it did not ask. Okay, so it may ask. Make sure you have one account. Okay, now just scroll down on this downloads page for JDK 12, which is Java SE Development Kit 12 download. So go ahead and scroll down, and you will see this is the download section for JDK 12, and which is Java Development Kit. Just click on this accept license agreement. For Microsoft Windows user, you got two options here. So the first one is zip. You can download a zip folder and then extract it and install it manually. This is kind of automatic installation process when you download the .exe file, which means executable file, and obviously this is only for 64-bit operating system. So go ahead and download this 64-bit exe file, and this is going to be on my desktop. I'm going to save it, and this is 159 MB, and it's going to take 2 minutes of time. So once it's done, I'll be right back. Alrighty, so as you can see, JDK 12 is downloaded. Now I can go ahead and run it. Okay, so go ahead and locate your file wherever it is. Okay, wherever you have downloaded it, and then it's going to be on my desktop. So here it is. Now I can install it. So go ahead and just click on it, double click on it, and this should start the installation on the system. So you'll get a window which says user account control, and you got two options, yes or no. So say yes. Now this may ask one more time whether you want to. Okay, so it did not ask anything. It just giving you this installation wizard. Just say next, and this is the location where it's going to be available. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just say JDK 12 and hit next. So that is customizable, and this shouldn't take long time. It's just trying to copying new files, registering product, and here it's trying to extract the installer. Okay, so you can see JDK 12 64-bit successfully installed. Now I can go ahead and close it. Okay, so there's a problem with this installation. You cannot execute it from everywhere on the system. So we need to go ahead and put it on the system path. Okay, so it's not recognizing the Java or Java C command at all. So we need to go ahead and fix it. Okay, so to fix it, we need to locate this Jdk folder, and this is going to be available under program files, under Java, and then here is JDK. Then you go under this bin folder and then copy the path, and let's go ahead and put it on the system variable path. Here we go. So go ahead and hit on this start menu, type variable, and this will give you this link. So edit system environment variable, just click on it and then go down and say environment variables. Now here there are two options: user variable for TubeMint, only for one user. This is system variable, so anybody on this system, any user can execute this. So go ahead and select this path and hit edit. Now here you say new and paste that JDK bin folder location here and hit OK, OK, OK 3 times. Okay, to execute you must restart your terminal, and now if you say Java version, it's going to give you 12.0.2. If you say Java C version, it's going to say 12.0.2. So let's go ahead and quickly compile one Java program and run it. So here is a very small file that is going to be saying hello there. So now let's go ahead and launch the terminal in the same directory here. So pyenv and then say Java C Java C demo.java. So this is basically case sensitive language. You need to be very cautious when you type name of the applications or files and folders. And then let's go ahead and run with Java demo. So it worked perfectly fine. So your Java JDK is working on your Microsoft Windows 10. If you have any issue installing Java JDK 12, please leave your questions and comments in the comment section below, and I will try to answer it as ASAP. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Happy coding. Bye for now.